Did you know that Mercedes-Benz, the iconic car brand, invented the first gasoline-powered automobile? Yes, that's right. The story of this trailblazing powerhouse is as fascinating as the sleek and elegant vehicles it produces. Born from the innovative minds of Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler, Mercedes-Benz has been at the forefront of automobile innovation since the late 19th century. Benz's brainchild, the patent motor wagon, rolled onto the scene in 1886, marking the birth of the gasoline-powered car. Its innovative three-wheel design and one-cylinder engine were an engineering marvel of its time. Meanwhile, Daimler was also making strides in the automotive world, developing the first four-wheeled gasoline-powered vehicle. When these two great minds merged their expertise and passion, Mercedes-Benz was born, and the automotive industry was forever changed. Over the years, the company's commitment to innovation and technological advancements only grew stronger. They introduced the first diesel passenger car, the Mercedes-Benz 260D, in the early 1930s, forever changing our perception of what a car could be. But the innovation didn't stop there. Mercedes-Benz continued to push boundaries and redefine the very concept of an automobile. It was the brand that gave us the first production car with fuel injection, the first fully independent suspension, and many other pioneering technologies that we now take for granted in modern vehicles. Beyond the innovative technologies, Mercedes-Benz has always been synonymous with luxury and style. Each model, from the classic 300 SL Gullwing to the modern S-Klasse, is a testament to the company's dedication to design and craftsmanship. Yet, Mercedes-Benz is not just about luxury and innovation. It is a brand that values sustainability and is committed to reducing its environmental footprint. From pioneering the first gasoline-powered car to developing eco-friendly technologies, Mercedes-Benz has always been a leader in automotive innovation. From the very beginning, Mercedes-Benz has been a trailblazer in the automotive industry, and this legacy continues with their efforts towards environmental sustainability. As we delve deeper into the history and future of this iconic brand, we'll discover why Mercedes-Benz is not just a car maker, but a pioneer of automobile innovation. Mercedes-Benz is not just a luxury car brand, it's a pioneer in the green revolution. In the pursuit of a greener future, Mercedes-Benz is making significant strides. The brand is not just about luxury and prestige anymore, it's about a commitment to the environment, to sustainability, and to the world we live in. One of the most significant transformations we've seen from this German automaker is the shift towards electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz is riding the wave of the future, investing heavily in electric mobility. The introduction of the EQ family, a range of fully electric vehicles, is a testament to this commitment. But it's not just about going electric. It's about creating electric vehicles that still embody the luxury, comfort, and performance that Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. But the green revolution of Mercedes-Benz doesn't stop at electric vehicles. The company is making a firm commitment to CO2 neutrality. This means not just reducing emissions from their cars, but also looking at every aspect of their production process. From the factories where the vehicles are made to the suppliers they work with, Mercedes-Benz is committed to minimizing its carbon footprint. However, the company's environmental initiatives don't stop there. Mercedes-Benz is also exploring the use of sustainable materials in their vehicles. From seats made of recycled plastics to body parts made of organic materials, the company is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in car manufacturing. Let's not forget the fact that Mercedes-Benz is also focused on energy efficiency. The company is investing in renewable energy sources and developing technologies to make their vehicles more fuel efficient. It's all about creating a sustainable future, not just for the company, but for the world. Through these initiatives, Mercedes-Benz is driving the green revolution, ensuring a sustainable future for our planet. It's not just about making cars anymore, it's about creating a better, cleaner, and more sustainable world. And that's what makes Mercedes-Benz a true pioneer in the green revolution. Welcome to the future of driving with the EQ family, Mercedes-Benz's line of electric vehicles. This isn't just a leap into a new era of automotive technology, it's a stride towards a more sustainable future. The EQ family is a shining beacon of hope in the mission to reduce carbon emissions, a mission that is becoming increasingly crucial as we grapple with the reality of climate change. The beauty of the EQ family lies in its ability to harmonize environmental responsibility with the luxury and performance that is synonymous with the Mercedes-Benz brand. These aren't just any electric vehicles, these are machines of precision, crafted with meticulous attention to detail and engineered to deliver an unrivaled driving experience. The EQ family is more than just a lineup of electric vehicles. It's a statement of intent by Mercedes-Benz. An intent to lead the charge in the fight against climate change by revolutionizing the automotive industry. The EQ family is the perfect blend of luxury and sustainability, a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to both the environment and its customers. But the EQ family is not solely about reducing carbon emissions. It's about pushing the boundaries of innovation and technology. These vehicles are equipped with state-of-the-art features that not only enhance the driving experience, but also make it more eco-friendly. The EQ family signifies a new era in the automotive industry, an era where luxury doesn't come at the expense of the environment. It's a step towards a future where we can enjoy the thrill of driving without leaving a carbon footprint. It's a future where sustainability and performance go hand in hand. With the EQ family, Mercedes-Benz is redefining the automotive industry, combining luxury with environmental responsibility. It's not just about creating a better car, it's about creating a better future. A future where we can drive with a clear conscience, knowing that we're doing our part to protect the environment. A future where the road to sustainability is driven by Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz isn't just thinking about the present, it's shaping the future of transportation. Imagine a world where your car doesn't just take you from point A to B, but also plays a crucial role in preserving our environment. That's the future vision Mercedes-Benz is striving for. The company is on a mission to revolutionize the auto industry once again, but this time, it's all about going green. Mercedes-Benz has been synonymous with innovation since its inception, and this ethos extends to their commitment to environmental sustainability. The company has pledged to have a carbon-neutral fleet by 2039. That's right, within just 15 years, Mercedes-Benz aims to have every single car in its lineup be carbon neutral. But how exactly does Mercedes-Benz plan to achieve this ambitious goal? Well, it's all about harnessing the power of cutting-edge, eco-friendly technologies. The company is investing heavily in research and development, focusing on areas such as electric drivetrains, hydrogen fuel cells, and even renewable energy solutions for recharging electric vehicles. In fact, Mercedes-Benz is not just stopping at cars. The company is also exploring ways to make its production facilities more sustainable. From reducing energy consumption to minimizing waste, Mercedes-Benz is leaving no stone unturned in its quest for a greener future. And it's not just about the environment. Mercedes-Benz is also committed to creating a sustainable future for its workforce. The company is investing in training and development programs to equip its employees with the skills needed to work on these new green technologies. So the next time you see a Mercedes-Benz on the road, remember, it's not just a car, it's a symbol of a greener future. It's a testament to the company's commitment to not just meet but exceed the expectations of its customers while also safeguarding our planet. With its green initiatives, Mercedes-Benz is not just making a statement, it's making a difference. Mercedes-Benz is more than just a car manufacturer, it's a catalyst for change. It's the embodiment of innovation, luxury, and sustainability, all wrapped up in one sleek and powerful package. As we journeyed through the history of this remarkable brand, we traced its commitment to creating a sustainable future one car at a time. The green revolution of Mercedes-Benz, highlighted by the EQ family, is a testament to the company's dedication to environmental preservation. These electric cars are not merely vehicles, they're statements of intent. Every Mercedes-Benz on the road is a step towards a cleaner, greener world. It's the perfect blend of luxury and responsibility, a balance that only Mercedes-Benz has mastered. But the company doesn't rest on its laurels. Mercedes-Benz continually pushes the boundaries, seeking new ways to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable practices. The passion and dedication of the Mercedes-Benz team are what drive this relentless pursuit of a greener future. As we've seen, Mercedes-Benz is not just shaping the future of the automobile industry, it's shaping the future of our planet. The company's commitment to sustainability is unwavering, its vision clear. This is Mercedes-Benz, a brand synonymous with luxury, innovation, and sustainability. Mercedes-Benz, driving luxury, innovation, and sustainability into the future. The future is green with Mercedes-Benz.